In this dream, I'm seeing we were queuing, studying before a closed door. The door was closed, and we were queuing as waiting to enter through that door. The door to open, we enter through it inside the house. And as we were queuing there were names written on board on top of that door. Very clear names. And whoever read his or her name on that door, the door automatically opened and that person entered inside. I see as we are queuing there, I'm asking those that were ahead of me, are you showing my name there? Are you showing my name there?